Okay, we learnt few properties for addition, right? The closure property, commutative property, associative property. Apart from the inverse, additive inverse and identity, additive identity, okay, we learnt few properties, closure, commutative and associative property. Okay, let us check now whether the properties are suitable for subtraction also. Okay, so the first one, it is closure property. Therefore, for any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. We can calculate for any two integers, we can calculate its subtraction, right? We will take different numbers, 75 and minus 45. These are two integers, a is equal to 75 and b is equal to minus 45. Shall I calculate a minus b? Yes, I can. So, 75 minus b is minus 45. So, minus 45. Okay, how do you subtract? 75, this sign should be changed to plus, and minus 45, its additive inverse is 45, plus 45. So, 75 plus 45, it will become 5 5s are 10, 0, 7 plus 4, 11 and 2. So, a minus b is positive, it is also an integer, right. So, if a and b are integers, then a minus b, if a and b are integers, then a minus b is also an integer, and that is the first closure property. Okay. And what about the other properties? Okay, the commutative property and associative property. First, let us check the commutative property. What is the commutative property? For addition, if a and b are two integers, if a plus b is equal to b plus a, then it satisfies the commutative property. Now, we are going to check whether this property negative, whether the negative sign holds this property or satisfies this property. Okay. So, for subtraction, I take two integers, a is equal to small numbers, I take minus 1 and b is equal to minus 5. Okay. So, we have to calculate a minus b as well b minus a. If you get both the same values for both of this, then the commutative property is suitable for subtraction on integers also. We will check. It is a is minus 1 minus what is b? It is minus 5. Okay, a is minus 1 minus b is minus 5. What you have to do now while subtracting? You have to write the first number as it is, minus change to plus, and minus 5 as plus 5. Okay. So, minus 1 plus 5. What do you get? It is negative and it is positive. So, you have to subtract. It is 4 plus 4. As 5 carries positive sign, it is plus 4. Now, we have to calculate b minus a. b is minus 5 minus a. It is minus 1. Okay. So, the first number as it is, minus changed to plus, and it is minus 1 to plus 1. So, it is minus 5 and it is plus 1. So, we have to subtract. You get 4, and what sign 4 should carry? The negative sign. It is minus 5. Okay. So, you get a minus b is equal to 4 and b minus a is equal to minus 4. Are these two values are equal? Are these two values are equal? No, it is positive 4 and it is negative 4. So, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So, subtraction does not satisfy commutative property. Similarly, the subtraction on integers does not satisfy associative property. So, only closure property we can prove for subtraction, not the commutative property and as well not the associative property.